Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the end of month flip for my Louis Vuitton agenda cover, and that holds my Hermes planner and my notebook from St. Laurent. So both of these have been great additions to my planner. So I actually use this the most because this is my tactical planning system. So let's start with the Hermes planner because this has been a game changer in my planning system. So I have these little sticky notes from Post-it. I'll have everything linked below that I can link, and it helps to find where I'm at in the pages. I don't like using the edges. Same with the Louis Vuitton inserts. If you saw the PM agenda video, I was doing it, and then I just prefer to use the sticky notes because it's so much easier to find where you're at. And I got like the metallic one so that way it can match the lining. But you guys, I've been loving these, so I got so distracted with the bookmark that I didn't show you all the week. So here was the first week of January, or I guess the first day, and then last week of December. But I put my little appointment sticky note here. I wrote out everything that I need to do, film, content, and so I like using it by section. I also tried doing stickers, and I don't know, I just feel like this is my tactical planner and I didn't like putting stickers in here. I'll use sticky notes in here as y'all see, but like I really just love using a pen and paper, or like just using like my pen in here. Sorry guys, battery died and I've been batch filming all the flips. But I'm trying to remember where I was at. So for the setup, I really love how this is structured because it works so well for what I need. I've kind of done something similar that I did with my small ring / PM agenda. So for those of you that are new to my channel, I am salary. I work Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. And so for personal use, because this is like a personal planner, this is my work planner, I didn't want to put all of my work appointments or anything like that in here, but this is my tactical planner and I needed space to write things out. And so what I've done is I've just blocked out when I get off work, and then pretty much don't use the hourly section until I get off work. So that way I know what's going on and when, and it's separated by the to-do list of things that I need to do for that day once I'm off of work. And so I've loved this. It's just so I feel like I get so much use out of it as opposed to just using an hourly where it's just going to be, you know, work like blocked out here, but I'm doing this and that after work. Like I feel like that doesn't make any use of this like middle part, and then I don't need my meetings in here for work because I just need to write out everything that needs to be done. But I do want to use the hourly section, so I love just blocking it out. And so I do work 8 to 5, but starting this week I just marked it as 9, so that way I had a little section for before work. I know when I work, but I still just, I visually know like this is like working hours, but you know, starting at 5, this is what I have to do and when, and then this is just pre-work. So yeah, I love this. Again, organized somewhat differently. So I have my to-do sections. Typically it's like to-do, content, and then delivery. If there's something different, then I'll just label it that way, but I love this so much and I use it every single day. I've kept it open on like the left side of my desk. So I have an L-shaped desk, and that's where my GM agenda goes, is on that L. And that's my main planner where it's generally open on my monthly or my weekly view. And then this is open kind of like more by my Mac. So that way I can like do things like order something or check on a delivery, and then just easily reference this and everything that I need to do, or write out things that I need to do. And so I've really loved this planner. I'm probably going to get this planner every year because I'm in love with it. So yeah, that's just how I've used it and the setup for the month. It's not something that I pre-plan unless it's like deliveries or like filming. So when it comes to the to-do list, that's just something that I put in every single day. And again, it's open on my desk so I can just do that. And so I feel like there have been like a few days where it's been pretty blank, but for the most part, I'm able to like write out a lot of stuff and just pre-plan the day, which I really love. So that is the Hermes planner. Really love this. Really recommend this planner. I love this probably more than the Louis Vuitton one. I love the paper. I feel like it's slightly different, but also just love this layout. And I love that there's no wasted space. There's no gray bars or anything like that. Like I get to write out everything that's going on in this planner. And then I have my Saint Laurent notebook. And so this is, you know, tactical plans, and then this is just like notes on everything. And this is just a general notebook. So I've debated just keeping this out, but I love having these together, and I love that it like closes perfectly. Like you can see the coil, like it closes perfectly together, and they work together. Like generally when I'm like working on something here, I can write out everything here. So I've written out like my budget plan, I've written out some notes on some health related stuff, and it's just nice to have like a general notebook to kind of write things out that you want to write out, or like maybe even like somewhat pre-plan. So yeah, we have that. And without showing too much, because there is some personal information here, and again, I just love writing things out, so it's just great to have this notebook here, and that way I can take notes and have them all stored in a place. And then I've been using the same tabs to kind of highlight where I'm at, or to reference like a break in something. But yeah, that is what I have on my agenda cover. This is my tactical planner with notes, and I really love it. I love using this every single day, and really happy that I have both these in my system. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.